Recently, which organization adopted the first law to tackle violence against women? European Union, EU, United Nations, UN, African Union, AU, ASEAN. European Union, EU. Explanation. The European Union adopted the first comprehensive law specifically designed to prevent and combat violence against women. This law, formerly known as the Directive on Combating Violence Against Women and Domestic Violence, sets minimum standards for criminalizing certain forms of violence against women across EU member states, including rape based on lack of consent, female genital mutilation, and online harassment. It also aims to improve access to justice for victims and support services. While other organizations have addressed violence against women through resolutions, declarations, or framework agreements, the EU was the first to adopt a binding law with concrete legal obligations for its member states. Why other options are less suitable? The UN primarily works through resolutions and declarations, lacking the direct legal authority over member states to enforce specific laws on violence against women. The AU addresses violence against women through its policies and frameworks, but has not implemented a law with the same binding force as the EU directive. ASEAN operates primarily on consensus and cooperation among member states, and does not have a supranational legal framework for directly enacting laws on violence against women in the same way as the EU.